Imagine the world not ending with fire or ice, but with a relentless, silent grey. That is the spring of 1315. In a small village, a child wakes up. It is not to the smell of bread, but to the sound of unending rain drumming on the thatch, a sound that has not stopped for months. The memory of a full stomach is already becoming a story from another life. Our child's day begins with hunger, a hollow, familiar ache. The father returns from the field, his boots caked not in rich soil, but in cold, lifeless mud. The seeds they planted have simply rotted in the ground. The family's one cow, ribs showing, gives no milk. A murrain, a vicious animal plague, is sweeping the land, killing herds. There is no cheerful clatter of a breakfast bowl. There is only a shared, silent look of deepening worry. The child's chores change. It is no longer fetching water or gathering eggs. It is searching. They walk with their mother into the soggy forest, looking for anything the rain hasn't spoiled. Bitter roots, tough bark from trees, handfuls of sour grass. This is what dinner has become. The village is emptying of sounds. The blacksmith's hammer is still. The market square is quiet. The only news is of a neighbor's family who have simply left, walking south in a hopeless search for food. As the days blur into weeks, the child watches the world unravel. They see their parents grow thin and sharp with each other. They hear whispers of things too terrible to understand, of crimes born of desperation in the next town, of graves being disturbed. The village priest leads desperate processions, begging God for mercy, but the sky remains a leaden gray. The adults speak of God's punishment, and the child feels a fear deeper than hunger, the fear that the world itself has become hostile and broken. Then the coughing starts, a weak, racking sound in the cramped house. The child's younger sibling, already frail, falls ill. There is no doctor, only helplessness. The famine has done its work, weakening bodies so that pneumonia or bronchitis can finish the task. One morning, the small bed is empty. The family is now smaller, and the silence in the home becomes a new, permanent resident. The child survives, but they do not live unchanged. They have learned that security is an illusion, that the sky can betray you, and that society is just a thin veneer over a terrifying chaos. They will carry this knowledge into adulthood, into Europe permanently scarred and made cynical. When the Black Death arrives a generation later, it will find a population already hollowed out, physically and spiritually, by years of hunger. The Great Famine was not a single event, but a slow fracture in history, and our child and millions of children like them were the ones who had to live in the cracks.